In the vast universe, few events rival the power of cosmic explosions. Violent explosions ever witnessed in the cosmos. We begin with supernovae, the death cries of massive stars. Supernova 1987A was the closest in modern times, lighting up the large Magellanic Cloud. Some supernova lead to even more extreme blasts, called hypernova.
Hypernovae can unleash energy equal to hundreds of regular supernovae. Next, we witness gamma-ray bursts, the brightest explosions in the universe. A single GRB can release more energy in seconds than the Sun will in its lifetime. In 2008, a GRB from 12 billion light-years away was visible with the naked eye. Then there's neutron star collisions, dense stellar corpses crashing together. These collisions create kilonovae and forge gold, platinum, and other heavy elements. The event GW 170,817 was the first ever seen with both light and gravitational waves. But what about when entire galaxies collide? These cosmic smash-ups unleash massive bursts of star formation and destruction. The Milky Way and Andromeda are set to collide in about 4 billion years. The biggest explosions may come from quasars, active supermassive black holes. They consume matter and blast it out as light and energy across billions of light-years. Then there's the Ophiuchus explosion, the biggest ever seen in our universe. It released 5 times more energy than any known explosion. Imagine hundreds of millions of supernova detonating at once. And what if the Big Bang itself was the first and biggest explosion of all? It wasn't an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself. Each cosmic blast tells us about matter, energy, and time itself. Even now, some of these explosions are reaching Earth for the first time.
We've got something.
Astronomers watch the sky constantly, hoping to catch the next great explosion.
Increase magnification.
Every burst of light tells a story from the early universe. From the death of stars to the collisions of galaxies, this is cosmic violence. But within that destruction, new worlds, new stars, and new life may form. The universe is loud, brilliant, and ever-changing. And these biggest cosmic explosions, they remind us the universe is alive.